Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes guys, as you can see, we're gonna make some pumpkin oats punch with lots of sea moss, dragon, and all of them goodness there. Alright, so first we're gonna boil the pumpkin. You can use pumpkin or squash, it doesn't matter. Alright, we're gonna boil this for about 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes. Let it parboil a little bit or cook but not smushy, and then we're gonna come back, let it cool, and we're gonna come back. So quite possible we're gonna make the juice tomorrow. We'll let it cool and put it in the fridge. All right guys, yeah. Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So welcome back guys, and you know guys, me leave the pumpkin, or you want to call it squash, we leave it in the fridge for overnight. All right guys, so we're gonna blend it up. You're gonna get about maybe a cup and a half, almost 2 cups out of it, and we're gonna pour it with the liquid and everything over here. All right, I'm gonna use some condensed milk today guys, but you can just use honey if you want. It's optional. All right. Oops. I'm gonna use some almond milk, and what I'm gonna do, I have about half cup of oats right here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour some milk just to soften it up a little bit while I pour the rest of ingredients in it. So when you blend it up, it's really soft and nice. All right guys, you know what I noticed, if you warm this or you use some warm milk, it softens up so easily. We're gonna go in with some sea moss. 1, 2, about 4 tablespoons, 3, 4. All right, and now I'm gonna pour my cup. You see, it's like half cup, and when we put the warm milk and everything, gives me a cup. I'm gonna pour it out here. It's warm because I warm it. Okay guys, it got nice. We're gonna put 1, 2 teaspoons vanilla. I have some dragon. I'm gonna put like half bottle. I'm not gonna put the whole bottle. Leave some for next time. Okay, we're gonna top it off with some almond milk, about another cup. I'm gonna use 5. I'm just putting all of the sea moss in guys, the next spoon, so about 5 tablespoons. Now we're gonna add some cinnamon, just a smidge, with 1/8 or 1/4 teaspoon, and about 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, something like that. And now we're gonna use few tablespoons of condensed milk. As I said before, you can just use some honey or maybe some dates or something to sweeten it. I'm just gonna put 2 tablespoons for now. I think it's gonna want more, so let's use 3 tablespoons. Oopsie. So I put 3 tablespoons guys. You can put more or less, or as I said, you can use some natural sweetening agent. It's up to you. And the final thing, we're gonna go in with some ice. Oopsie. Oh, the one there gone. And that's it guys, we're gonna blend away. All right guys, and we're gonna blend away. Okay, I'm gonna put it at smoothie. All right, you see that goodness? Now we're gonna serve up some. All right, guys. Me say it's something tastes good, you see. All right, let's just push this over a little bit, and we're gonna pour. Let's pour in a big one first. Oh my goodness. Whoopsie. I'm gonna pour the rest in here. Yes, just right. It's so good, guys. I'm gonna drink one glass now. I can't even wait. All right, my peeps. Wow, guys. Me say something tastes good, your ball. Full of antioxidants with my sea moss. Yes. Vitamins, fiber. All right, potassium. Guys, you name it. This is gonna clean and build your immune system. You know what I said? It's gonna strong up them on them back. Guys, if you're on construction site, you're weak in the bedroom when you're sleeping at night. When you're awake and you feel weak and tired, pound a glass of this. Drink before bedtime. Drink any time of the day. Early morning when you're going to work. Bring this for lunch. Me not gonna advise you to bring alcohol to work, so just drink it ahead of time, okay, before you go to work. Gonna keep you up all shift, whether morning shift, evening shift, or night shift. These are the shift builder. All right, guys, you're gonna clean and build your immune system. All Jamaican people who know me I talk about, yeah, pumpkin oat sponge with some sea moss. Yes, it's a super healthy food here. And as I said before, if you don't want to use a condensed milk, use some honey over there. All right, or maybe you can add a few ripe banana or some dates or something to sweeten it, you know. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Yes. When me there Jamaica, guys, when me gonna make a glass for my husband. Make it for your husband, make it for your wife. Yeah, make it for your boyfriend, make it for your girlfriend. Are you make it for yourself? All right, my peeps. One love. God bless. Yeah. Bye, guys. And the baby make a too, you know, guys. All right, guys. I can't wait. Me have to taste some. See how thick it be? You see that, guys? All right. Oh my goodness, guys! It's so thick and nice. With the sea moss and the oats, my God, it's so thick, guys. And the dragon just bring out the flavors. Yes. Bye, guys. See, my husband I call me. Me go see where I call me for, guys. I can make a punch like this for him too. So good.